Such idiots. It's working!
Right, let's get back to the hut.
The power's coming through!
Coming through, all right, it's gaining rapidly.
Hurry, Doctor!
Well done, Dr. Williams.
Quickly, Doctor, the power won't last for long.
Long enough. You're going to take us with you, Doctor.
I can't, it's impossible.
I advise you to try.
I can't, I literally can't. It'll create a cosmic disaster.
You're not going to leave us here.
You think I want to? I'd give anything to save you all.
It's not loaded.
Let him go, Brigade Leader.
We helped him. We've every right to go. I'll give you until 3, Doctor. 1.
You'll have to shoot me, Brigade Leader. I have no intention of taking you.
2, 3.
Now's your chance, Doctor.
Go on, Doctor, get on with it! Too erratic.
Who the blazes is Stephen Moffat? Press Internet Audio. That's right. You see the video camera symbol? Press that. Don't look down. Yes, that's right. We better be careful what we say. I think they record them somehow.